My name's Darren Darling. I'm the Global Brand Ambassador for JLM Lubricants, and I'm here today to show you how to use the JLM DPF refill kit with the JLM DPF refill fluid, and we're going to fill an additive tank from a Citroen Berlingo. So this is the same process for all the Peugeot Citroen based vehicles that run the Eloise tank. We do have a separate video for vehicles that run an additive bag, so please check that one out if you have a bag rather than the tank. So we've removed the tank assembly from the vehicle and we will show you how to do the process. So let's empty out all the kit here. So obviously if you're ordering this the DPF refill fluid for the first time, make sure that you order the DPF refill kit as well. In our own workshop, we have one kit set up for filling a bag and one kit set up for filling a tank, because we do a lot of this. But make sure that you at least order one kit the first time and you can reuse this again. So in the kit, we have the cap, which will attach onto the bottle shortly. And we have 3 plastic connectors. Now I have done a little bit of preparation here. So the plastic connectors, you'll find a short piece of pipe in there. So you need to warm these up. So I've already done a little bit of preparation, because we are taking this video in winter time and things cool down quite quickly in the cold workshop. So we have just simply to talk you through what we've done. We've used the lighter to warm the pipe up, and we've pushed our connections in. Okay, so we've done that like so. So make sure you get them all the way home and give them a good tug afterwards, so they're going to be nice and secure when you're filling the tank up. So we've done that part. Now we also have a long pipe here, so this will attach to the other plastic connection. This is shown in the instructions as well, and the other end of it will attach to the cap like so. For the purpose of this video, I've actually cut a short pipe because we're working at a raised height here, so it will be easier to show you. So I've snipped a piece off there. The good thing is there, if you're working on the bench, you can cut a shorter length of this pipe off, or if you're doing it on the ground and you're going to be having the bottle at a raised height, then you can use the full length. So it's entirely up to you. This should be carried out by a professional workshop. This is not a DIY procedure, and you should be wearing gloves while handling this product. You would really need to be, it is possible to do this on the floor, but you really are looking at taking it to a workshop where they're able to raise the vehicle up on a hoist so that they can take the tank out the vehicle. It's very easy. It takes around 10 minutes to remove this tank from the vehicle. So now I've attached this, say I'm using a short piece of pipe just to make my life easier at this height, but you can use the full length or anything in between. It's entirely up to you. So the reason for this, it just depends on the type of tank. They do come in different sizes, and some of the connections are slightly different. So this enables us to connect to all the different types of it. So I'll turn this tank round so that you can see it. And all we're doing is this pipe that's on the top here. So it just has a squeeze clip. So we'll take this off. And then all we're going to do now is attach. So this is clicked home. And what you find is this pipe here, the one that's exposed now, is our fill level. So we fill it through this pipe until we start getting the droplets out of here. Then that is the tank completely full. So what we're going to do now, take the cap off and attach the DPF filling kit. So Nice and straightforward. And then now, this is why I've done it with a slightly shorter pipe, just simply so I don't have to hold the bottle out of sight while we're doing the filling process. So what we're going to do is, on here there is a separate video for this, but on the top of the cap here there is a small pintle which we will remove, and that allows some airflow into here, and it makes the filling process much quicker. So it's important now when doing this that you don't squeeze the bottle. Now, because of that air gap, you will see, you know, a slight weep from there, but it's nothing major, and you'll notice compared to the old filling kit that this is going in much more quickly now because of that air gap, so it can breathe. So all we'll do now is we hold the bottle here until it is all into the tank. This is a 2-litre tank, so it will require the second bottle, so it gravity feeds in there nice and simple until the level is full. So don't forget, guys, in your workshop, once you've done this and you've refitted it to the vehicle, you will need to use a scan tool to go in there and to tell it the amount of additive that you've put into the tank. So it's important that you program that in and tell it whether you've used 1 litre or 2 litres, so you set the correct level. So it's important that you do that diagnostic procedure at the end of it, and then that's it, job done. So we'll leave this here till it's filled. It's going in quite quickly now, so this should only take another few minutes and then it's job done. So, okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, follow our YouTube channel at JLM Lubricants, and if you require any more information, please visit our website, jlmlubricants.com.